Hello friends, myself Pranjali Shah, Derivative Analyst in Agram Capital Ahmedabad. Higher rollover in Nifty, which means series to see recovery. February series is beginning on relatively lighter note in comparison with previous series. Leverage position are lower in value terms at Rs 98,420 crores versus Rs 99,451 crores at the beginning of January series. Rollover to February series were bit higher for index in comparison with previous series. Nifty rollover were at 67% versus 61% in the previous series, and last 3 months average rollover is 69%. Whereas market-wide rollover to February series were marginally lower at 84% versus 85% in the previous series, and last 3 months average is also 85%. In value terms, Nifty open interest at the beginning of new series is Rs 64,742 crore versus Rs 62,838 crore, which is 3.03% higher than the previous series. Stock future open interest has witnessed 3.04% fall in the series in value terms. New series is starting with Rs 33,679 crores in open interest as against Rs 34,773 crores in the previous series. Volatility index moved sharply up by about 29.79% through previous series, now at 22.09 versus 17.02% at the beginning of previous series. Sector wise rollover, if we see, sectors like textile witness higher rollover of 90%, whereas lower rollover were observed in sector like technology, which is at 76%. If we see on FII front, index future witness higher rollover of 73% versus 62% in the previous series. On the other hand, rollover in stock future witness lower at 86% versus 89% in the previous series by FIIs. Sectors like textile, banking and finance and cement has seen significantly higher rollover in new series. Defensive sector like pharma has witnessed rollover which were almost in line with the previous month and 3 months average rollover of 82%. And FMCG has witnessed rollover which were in line with previous month's rollover of 82% and 3 month average rollover is of 81%. Construction, oil and gas, engineering sector have witnessed marginally lower rollover of 84%, 79% and 83% respectively in comparison with previous month, suggestive of cautious approach by players on this sector. Sugar sector has witnessed significantly lower rollover to February series in comparison with previous month. Rise in Nifty options open interest, which means like February series is starting on a significantly higher Nifty option open interest of 9.19 crore shares as against 7.94 crore shares in January 2011, almost about 16% higher. Jump in option open interest is indicative of skepticism among players about the near-term trend. Concentration of open interest is observed to be more at Nifty 5500 put and Nifty 5700 and 5800 calls. Suggestive markets would be trading broadly in the range of 5500 to 5800 for Nifty at the start of February series. This suggests level of 5500 may act as a significant support for the Nifty in the near term. Going by option distribution pattern, hurdle on upside is seen around 5800 level of Nifty. Outlook for the February series is, series may see markets recovery. As anticipated, market advanced cautiously at the beginning of January series but could not sustain and reverse. Higher inflation, lower IIP data, negative news flow and consistently unwinding of FIIs caused January series to be one of the worst performing series. Nifty fell by about 8.15% through the series. February series is begin with comparatively lower open interest in value terms at Rs 98,420 crores In quantitative terms too, new series is begin with about 3.65% lower open interest than the previous series. Jump in index rollover through option are suggestive of cautious approach among the players about the near-term trend. Sharp fall in spot Nifty from the peak, which is more than 9% during the series, accompanied by higher premium of 26 points on Nifty February future, and also sharp jump in Nifty rollover, which is 67% versus 61% in the previous series, is all suggestive of trapping of long position on index. This will have overhang on market during the series. Market being oversold now, lower levels are likely to attract value buying. However, pullbacks are unlikely to translate into big rallies. On the whole, series may see markets recovering, possibly in later half of the series. Thank you. We hope that all of you earn good profits ahead. Thank you.